Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Today I will be telling you about common mistakes during studying and what to do instead. Number 1 is cramming. Cramming is not helpful. It is like training for a marathon the day before. It is better to start earlier and to not have to stuff everything in your noggin the day before. Another mistake that people think about studying is the more stationery you have, the better grades you will get. For some people, that is true. Some people have lots and lots of stationery, and it inspires them to study. And if you're one of them, it might be good enough. But for a majority of people, stationery is just decoration. It really doesn't help. A simple black pen and some pencils are really all you need. The third misconception about studying is the more hours of studying gets you better grades. So the thing is, if you are studying effectively, you can get better results than your classmates who spend hours and hours just staring at their textbooks. If you use effective study strategies, it will be much easier to learn a lot of stuff in a short amount of time. And I will be making a video on that in the future. And last misconception about studying is the more books, notebooks, binders, that kind of stuff, the better grades. It's actually not true at all. In fact, minimalism might even benefit you better, but it does depend on who you are. Having more things around will most likely crush your focus and productivity overall. So I will make a decluttering video in the future as well. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed, and hit the subscribe button for more content just like this.